Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public your Pinterest account. First, open the Pinterest app or website and log into your account. Once you're on your home feed, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From there, tap the three dots or gear icon to access your settings. This is where you'll find the crucial privacy options. Within your settings, look for Privacy and Data. Here, you'll see an option that controls your profile's visibility. If it's currently set to private, you'll need to toggle it off. This action makes your profile and all your boards visible to everyone on Pinterest and through search engines. Remember to save your changes to ensure they take effect immediately. When your Pinterest account is public, anyone can see your pins, boards, and profile information. This means your content can be discovered by a much broader audience, potentially leading to more followers and engagement. It's a great way to share your interests, showcase your creativity, or promote your business. Just be mindful of what you share publicly. To truly maximize your public Pinterest account, focus on creating high-quality, engaging pins. Use clear, descriptive titles and rich keywords in your pin descriptions to help people find your content through searches. Interact with other users by commenting and repinning. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.